how to draw a circle, tangent line, how to trim, and how to mirror. Let me show you. You go on your helm tab, and then to draw your circle, you can click circle there, and then the command line you ask you to specify the center of the circle. You just click anywhere. Just click anywhere in your drawing there, and that will be your center. And the command line to ask you the radius, let's make our 30s. Then 30, and now when you click 30, it will become small as like that, but then you can just zoom out. Now we are trying to find the first point to another point of the circle. Line there, and then now your line is bending, so you trying to make it horizontal straight with that tool there. Let's make our length is 100. Then just click escape when you're drawing your line. Now another circle there, that will be your center now, and make our radius is 50. Now 50. Now we want to draw a tangent line that is tangent on that small circle, but then let's draw another circle on the other side, so we can just mirror these. I'm going to show you how to mirror in the how to mirror. They just mirror this, and then let me just mirror so I can draw this circle on the other side. Now I have drawn my 3 circles there, and then I want them to be like this, so that I can draw tangent line on both of them. So how do you go about it? To draw a tangent line, you can go on your drawing tool there, and then you click line, and the command line you ask you to specify your first point, but then your first point it's tangent, so you shift right click, and then you'll be given a list, and then just click tangent, and then once you click tangent, and then you go on your circle, and then to be tangent there. Now you cannot just click another circle, you have to click shift and right click. If you click there, it will jump to those points. So now you just have to click shift and right click, and then in the list given below you'll be given tangent, so just click choose tangent, then again shift and right click and tangent, so you'll be able to attach your line that's tangential on that big circle. How to mirror? I said I'm going to show you how to mirror. So you go on your modifying tool there, and then choose mirror, and now the command will ask you to specify the point, the object that you want to mirror. Just click the line that you want to mirror, and then click enter. Now the command line will ask you to specify the point of mirror, and then that will be your point of mirror, like that. Point of mirror are points that are in the middle. How to mirror that in the other side again? Just go to mirror again on the modify tool, and then click your object that you want to mirror. It's those 2 lines, and then now click enter, and now the command allows you to specify your point of so your point of mirror line to be those ones in the middle. And now you can start trimming. So how to erase, for example, so you just click the object that you want to erase like that, and then right click on your cursor, and now you can erase. How to trim again? You go to your modify tool, then click trim. Now you are be able to trim there. Let me show you how to indicate that this is your line of symmetry. go to annotate. Once you click annotate there, you'll be given on your center line there, you choose center mark, and then you can just come in your circle there, and then you center your lines and you're done. Thank you.